Hi student. So today in Angshic classes, I will solve a practical question from Share Capital chapter 7, that is part 8. So whenever you will get the question, there will be some same topic which you will get, that is the authorized capital, share issued, cost of one share, then how much they have divided this cost in that application, allotment, first call and final call. And at last they will say to prepare the journal. At first everyone have to do this. No need to see at authorized capital. This is the useless. This only give to strip the mind of a student. So this is the useless one. You just ignore it. Now what left? Share issued. So this company, suppose X Limited, they issued their share 5,000. Okay. Now each share cost 100. Yesterday also I have explained that they didn't took the whole amount at a time. They divide it in application, allotment, first call, final call. Okay. In sometimes there may be application, allotment, first call, second call, and then final call if the amount is more. Now they have divided like this. They collect with application rupees 30, after allotment 20, on first call 30, and on final call 20, and they say to prepare a journal on it. So we will see how to prepare journal. Okay. So that one which I showed, that was a question. So from question, at first before solving the journal, we have to do a working note. So how to do? At first you have to write number of share issued. That the company issued how many number of share? That is the number of share, 5,000. Then the cost of one share. We have to take like as we take in math, that is from as per question. This is as per question. So as per question, this is the given number of share issued 5,000, cost of one share 100, and they have divided this 100 in this application, allotment, first call and final. So we have to take the amount. So how we have to get the amount? How? On application, that is 30 into number of share, that is 5,000, equal to 1,50,000. On allotment, rupees 20 into 5,000, that is 1 lakh. Then on first call, 30 into 5,000, that is again 1,50,000. And on final call, it is 20 into 5,000, which will be 1 lakh. So like this, you have to make a working note. So this is the working note before you solve the journal. I am saying to every student that you have to make it. This is not for the mark. You will not get any extra mark for this working note. This is only to clear up your journal at the time of practical. So suppose this is your note copy, okay? You always do like this. In this page you do the working note, and in this page you do journal. Okay? Same. Between these two pages. No need to turn off the page and do the question. If suppose this is your copy, and in here you wrote already one question and this is blank, just cut it and write PTO, then go to next page, solve the working note and journal. This is the same I am saying for class 11 practical. For each and every practical you solve like this. Don't turn the page and do the in one page working note, another page journal. Otherwise it will give a false impact in examiner. Okay. So now working note. On working note again I am saying number of share issued you have to write. Then you have to write cost of one share. Then the division, that is on application 30, allotment 20, first call 30, final call 20. So this question is from the portion of at par. Okay, this is from at par. So now, as you said, the cost is 100. They have divided 100 away. No increase, no decrease. That is no premium, no discount. So the 5,000 will be constant. That is the number of share. From application, they get this much. So this is the video. So the first one is application. So from application, we have to write bank account debit to share application account. Why bank account debit? Whenever anyone try to purchase or want to purchase the share, at first you have to fill up the application, then you have to pay amount. So application is always bank account debit to share application account. Again, why bank account debit? Because bank is a real account. And what is the golden rule of real account? Debit comes in, credit goes out. We are receiving the cash, that is we wrote debit side. Banks comes in, that is it's coming in. Share application, what we are giving? We are giving share application. Why share application? It is in credit side, because share application lead between company and a shareholder. So both are personal. So what is the golden rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So we are giving what? Share capital. That's why it is on credit side. And the amount will be same, that is 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Now every time what we are collecting amount for capital, and what capital? It is share capital. So you have to transfer this share application to share capital. So now share application account debit to share capital account, being share application money transferred to share capital. So this is the solution for application. So this is from allotment. So now what? Share allotment account debit to share capital account. Here student, you have to do the first is a due entry, then it is a receive entry. Okay, first one is a due entry, then it will be a receive entry. So share allotment account debit to share capital account, being share allotment money due, and this one will be bank account debit to share allotment account, being share allotment money received. So here you have to write received. Okay, so how? At first on application we receive the application money, that's why at beginning we wrote bank, but this is a due entry, we don't know how much we will get, but we got whole amount. So when you will got not the whole amount, it will be clear to you when you will do the calls in arrear and advance. So now from allotment and till final call, this will be the pattern. Share allotment account debit to share capital account. In case of first call, share first call account debit to share capital account. In case of final call, share final call account debit to share capital account. Same in the receive entry, bank account debit to share allotment account. In case of first call, bank account debit to share first call account. In case of second call, bank account debit to share second call account. In case of final call, bank account debit to share final call account. So this is the easiest part. If you know this allotment entry, you can solve allotment, first call, second call, even final call. But only you have to focus on the application entry, where we write at first we have to write the bank entry, then the share capital entry. So this is from allotment. So this is the entry for first call. As I said, if you came to know the allotment entry, then you can solve the first call and the final call also. So share first call account debit to share capital account, amount is 1,50,000. So being share first call money due, same as like allotment, then you have to do the receive entry, that is the bank account debit to share first call account, which will be being share first call money received, 1,50,000. So this is the criteria which we will follow in first call also, final call also. So this is the last entry for the final call section. So what? Share final call account debit to share capital account. As I said, if you can do the allotment entry, the same you have to follow in first call and final call. See, first due entry, then the receive entry. Share first call account debit to share capital account, being share final call money due. Same bank account debit to share final call account, being share final call money received. So this is the overall entry, the journal which you have to study in class 12 to solve this chapter. That at first we have to do the application, where bank account debit to share application account, then the share application account debit to share capital account, then we have go to the allotment, that is the share allotment account debit to share capital account, which will be a due entry, then bank account debit to share allotment account, which will be the receive entry, then we have to move to the first call or final call, the same, that is the share first call account debit to share capital account, then bank account debit to share first call account, then share final call account debit to share capital account, then bank account debit to share final call account. So this is the overall from chapter 7. And student, please you go through or study or memorize this journal entry from application to final call, which will help you in every question of this chapter. That is, you say at par, this is the question of at par, where at par the face value of the share is 100. You know what is face value that I explained yesterday. Face value of the share is 100 and we took rupees 100 only. How? 30 on application, 20 on allotment, 30 on first call, 20 on final call. So 50, 50, 100. So this is the question of at par, and next video will be for at premium. Okay, students. So please see it, understand clearly. If any question, inbox in comment section, and share, subscribe, and please click the bell icon for the further notification. Thank you, student.